Hi folks, welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today I'm going to be making Lamb Shank Tagine. So in a bowl I've got 2 lamb shanks. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Ras El Hanout. I'm just going to cover the lamb shanks and make sure it's all nicely rubbed in. You need to get all sides of this done. I'm just going to massage it into the lamb shanks now. Anything that's in the bottom of the bowl we can put the end of the lamb shanks on to pick it up. So I've got my joy stove on again with some charcoal. This is a cast iron tagine. As you can see, very sturdily made. The bottom's made of cast iron, the top's ceramic. So to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just going to coat the bottom of the tagine with it. And as soon as it's hot enough, we're going to get the lamb shanks in to brown. So I'm just going to leave them about 1.5 minutes per side just to brown and seal the meat. And turn them over. Also important, don't forget the ends. So we're just going to take these out, the tagine now. To this we're going to add 1.5 chopped onions. Now we want to cook these onions till they go translucent. We don't want any real colour on them because we don't want the bitter taste. So we're just going to cook these until they go translucent. Keep moving around, getting some of that Ras El Hanout off the bottom. To this we're going to add 3 garlic cloves that have been crushed. We'll stir this around and let it cook for about 1.5 minutes. Once that's cooked, we're just going to add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. Also 1 tin of chickpeas. And now I've got 6 strands of saffron that have just been steeped in hot water. 1 tablespoon of honey. ,100 grams of chopped dried apricots. And then just the stems of a bunch of coriander or cilantro, just been chopped up. And finally to the pot, 350 millilitres of lamb stock. So give it one last stir, and we're going to get the lid on. We want to bring it to a nice simmer. So now we've got a nice simmer going. All we need to do is just add these lamb shanks back to it. I'm going to pop these lamb shanks in. I'm going to cook these for about 3 hours. During that 3 hours I will be turning these lamb shanks to make sure they're all fully cooked evenly. So lid goes on for 3 hours. And after 3 hours, there we have it. Lamb Shank Tagine. So I've simply served this with giant couscous, roasted red onion, roasted tomato, with cilantro to garnish. Yeah, I forgot to do a taste test before, but I think that empty plate tells you everything. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.